Have you got some knowledge that you want to share? We thought you did. Now let's help you turn that into cash. Introducing new content monetization tools from GetResponse. Whether you'd like to craft a course or start a paid newsletter, we've got everything you need to turn your expertise into income, all in 3 simple steps. Step number 1, create. Use our AI course creator to get started with your course, or simply make it from scratch yourself. Create paid newsletters and expand your revenue streams by offering multiple forms of content which your audience can purchase. Step number 2, market. Our plan for content creators gives you unlimited access to our email marketing and marketing automation tools, providing you with everything you need to build your audience and promote your content. You also get a dedicated profile to showcase and sell all your content. It's cool, we know. And that leads us to our final step, monetize. Make buying easy with our Stripe and PayPal integrations. And no, we don't charge any transaction fees, so you can enjoy 100% of your earnings. And just like that, watch your audience grow and your revenue flow. It's simple, it's smart, it's the brand new all-in-one content monetization plan only from GetResponse. Want to give it a try? Then click that link below and let's get you started.